For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
US President's spokesperson has said that Trump says he wants to do everything possible to keep peace for the people of India and China. Kayleigh McEnany conveyed Trump's message that he loves people of both India and China. Over the past several weeks, the Trump administration has come out in support of India against China.
He said, I love the people of India and I love the people of China, and I want to do everything possible to keep the peace for the people.
She was responding to a question on Trump's message to India regarding the recent standoff along the LAC. White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow described India as a great ally. He said that President Trump is a great friend of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I think the investment of US companies in India is interesting. Just a moment on India, I have been to a couple of bilateral meetings with the Indian leaders. People are losing trust in China and India becomes a big competitor. The US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said that India has been a great partner of the US. India has been a great partner. They are an important partner of ours. I have a great relationship with my foreign minister counterpart. We talk frequently about a broad range of issues. We talked about the conflict they had along the border with China. We've talked about the risk that emanates from the Chinese telecommunication infrastructure there. US National Security Advisor Robert O'Brien said that China has been very aggressive with India. O'Brien said that India is a great friend of the United States. Modi and President Trump have a super relationship. In fact, it was the last foreign trip that I took with President before the COVID-19 crisis hit India, and we had a great reception of the Indian people there. We have a lot in common with them. We speak English, we're democracies, we've got a growing, very strong relationship with India. Al Mason, co-chair of the Trump Victory Indian American Finance Committee, appreciated that Trump had come out openly in support of India. Most of the Indian Americans have observed that every earlier president, be it a Democrat or Republican, like Clinton or Bush Sr. or Bush Jr. or Obama, have been very scared to side with India openly for fear of hurting China. Only President Trump has had the courage to say that, I love India. America respects India. United States stands with India, and that also to over 1 billion Indians in India at the Namaste Trump rally held in India. He added that Trump was consistent in his love for India and Indian Americans.